Hey folks, thanks for tuning in here at Coco Lencho, Japan. Foreigner living in the countryside of Japan, and we renovated an Akiya, a vacant house, and lots of room to play around and do all kinds of different projects. One thing that I'm curious about and I'm going to do, and just for reference right now, this is probably going to be like a couple year video because this is December of 2024 and it may be too late, but I have some logs in the back that I put them in a shady place and they're not all that great. But at the store you can buy these little mushroom plugs and the little drill bit. So what I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and go outside, drill the hose, plug these in, and wait 2 years to see if they grow. So let's see, let me see, I have different types. One is, if you can see the picture there, I'm not really sure what type that is, and then this one is slightly different. And again, I have several logs. Right now I have a little bit of time and kind of watch it throughout the next couple years and see what happens. So please stay tuned, and hopefully we can watch them grow together. All right. Okay, I just took a quick look at the back of the box. So really, it depends on the depth. So you can flip it around because this one has like a little indentation right there. So I'm going to have to see what size those plugs are, and then you just kind of figure out which one it is. Let's see. Probably let's go with this. I guess if I flip it around, it'll be a little bit longer. So I'm going to go with this. That seems about the right size. Okay, so that's all the way around the log, and I still have quite a bit left. I have several logs there. Folks, don't ask me what type of wood that is, but hey, the gentleman that gave me these logs said that it's the type to grow shiitake, so some sort of hardwood. If you know, please let me know. And let's see, this is something else, but I want to concentrate on this first and then go from there. So let's go ahead and move this one over to the shady spot. Here's another one, a little odd shaped one. I figured I'd just go ahead and put the remaining that I have from this one box in there. And again, all this is kind of experimental. I don't know if it's just too thin, too thick, too old, not old enough, probably too late for sure, because from what I understand, you're supposed to be doing this in the fall and the spring. And right now it's a few days before Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone. Let's go ahead and keep on experimenting. This, again, this is just more of experimental, and hopefully it does work out. So as usual, I failed to read instructions. So inside this box here at the very bottom there, the instructions were in there. So folks, if you're going to attempt this, and if you don't speak Japanese, go ahead and use your Google Translate, which is what I'm going to have to do here in a minute. I do speak some Japanese, but not enough to read kanji. So but just kind of looking at it, you see there's different steps, 1 through 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. And kind of as I was pointing out, you drill the holes. I'm not quite sure about that. I'm gonna have to figure that out. That's the little adapter drill bit I was using, and as you can see, there's different ways of stacking it up against the wall. It's kind of what the method I'll be doing. But I'm going to go ahead and read this a little bit more in detail a little bit later. Then also over here, it kind of has a schedule. So January, looks like you cut them. Looks like you lay them out to about April, like I was saying, the springtime. Then you stack them. So the ones that we planted that I was talking about was springtime. And then something over here for December time frame. So as I said, I'm definitely not I'm definitely off schedule because I did buy these early fall, and then one thing after another, I just never got around to it. But I'm going to go ahead and take my time and kind of try to translate this with the Google Translate and apply any lessons learned to this. So again, but if you're going to attempt this, look at the box, look inside the box, you will have these instructions, and again, hopefully we learn together. All right, let's keep on doing this. This one, I'm going to, I finished up this box, and now I'm going to use this other box right here. And since I have a handful left and not the same type of wood, this was actually cut about a month ago. So again, definitely not following the instructions, but I don't want to waste that, and I guess it'd be good to experiment. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I don't know what type of wood it is. It's some sort of hardwood. Yeah, the neighbor gave it to me, so let me go ahead and do that and put it along with the pile, and just watch it. So again, folks, if you're interested in life in rural Japan, traveling around Japan in a camper van, you probably saw that over there in the background. We travel around as much as we possibly can, but I also still work. So if you're interested in all these type of topics, again, Akiya, vacant house renovation, traveling around Japan, experimenting. It's definitely a huge learning curve if you are a gardener or farmer from wherever you're from. I am not that. I did grow up in the countryside, but definitely not a professional. But there is a lot to learn. There's different environment, different animals, creatures that you have to deal with along with everything else. So yeah, so if you are interested in that and you wish to learn along with me, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and keep following our journey. All right, have a great day. Bye.